Android Auto layout hacks set media or navigation closer to drivers set on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connected Devices. After click on Connected Devices, scroll down to and click on Android Auto. After click on Android Auto, scroll down to and you will see change layout is here. Click on change layout. So if you want to set change layout media closer to driver, click on media closer to driver. You will see change layout is set on media closer to driver. If you want to set change layout navigation closer to driver, click on navigation closer to driver. After click on navigation closer to driver, you will see change layout is set on navigation closer to driver. So you will change media closer to driver and navigation closer to driver from here. After change, go back to home screen. So that's how you can Android Auto layout hack set media or navigation closer to driver side on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.